In this day and age, we all need electricity to get our jobs done, but sometimes we can find ourselves somewhere where electricity is limited. That's why we need one of these. This is a generator, and you can hire them from Speedy, the UK's #1 hire company. A couple of good things to remember when hiring from Speedy: all our hire equipment is checked, tested, cleaned and serviced before every hire, and will all come ready to go. You'll also notice a folder attached to your hire product. These are the safety and operating instructions. Please make sure you read these before you begin your job. This generator is really heavy, so if you need to lift it, make sure you get some help. It's also really important that you wear the correct PPE when handling and operating this piece of equipment. Hearing protection, safety boots and gloves are essential, and any PPE you do require can be purchased from Speedy. You will notice that this generator comes with 2 power outlets. Yellow indicates 110 volts and the blue indicates 240 volts. In between the 2 outlets you will see a switch. This switch will allow you to choose which outlet you want to draw power from. The outlet you require will depend on what you are powering, but the easiest way to tell is by looking at the plug at the end of your equipment and match the colour of the plug to the colour of the outlet. Starting this generator could not be easier. To begin with, you need to turn the red switch to the on position. Then at the side you will find a lever. This is the choke. Slide this to the left to activate the choke. This allows less air to get into the engine, helping it to start from cold. Now to start it. We simply need to pull the cord, but don't worry if it doesn't start straight away, as it might take a couple of pulls. Once the engine is started, allow it to idle for a few seconds, then slide the choke lever to the right. Once you're finished with the generator, you simply need to turn the red switch to the off position. Be careful though, as this generator can be very hot. If you need to refuel your generator, simply unscrew the cap and fill with fuel. This generator runs off unleaded petrol, however some might run off diesel. If you're unsure, just ask your Speedy Service Centre, as we're always happy to help. Whatever fuel you do require, you should never fill the generator when it's on or hot, as this can be dangerous. Always allow it to cool down before refueling. If you have any issues with any of the products you hire from Speedy, just give your local service centre a call, as we are always available to help, and remember to always check the safety and operating guidance before you use any hire product.